Welcome back to my channel, TeaTimeStyleTime. I have a quick look at some shoes that I ordered that are going to be given away as a gift to a family member this year. And I also have a bag that I ordered from Vestiaire Collective that I'm going to be giving you a first impression of. Without further ado, let's get started. So the shoes that I have today are Tom's. I ordered them from Nordstrom, and I do need to be careful with them since I am going to be giving them away as a gift. The ones that I have are denim blue. They're really comfortable, and here's what they look like. The inside does have like a memory foam type of insole. These are an 8 wide. And here's a look at the tread. Now, in case you're interested in ordering these, here is the style code. So normally these Toms resell, or I think they're about 50 or 60 bucks. These ones that I ordered were on sale, and I just like that they're really lightweight and durable. Now with Toms, this part can be a little stiff at first. This elastic, I've had trouble with in the past before, so I just wanted to let you know if you're slipping it on, once you get it on, over time this will stretch, but this is really stiff at first. And again, they're very, very flexible, have full range of motion. Do pretty much anything in these, so highly recommended. Now the bag that I am going to be sharing with you today did come from Vestiaire Collective. It is a retired style. It is the color lilac with mock croc and smooth leather. I believe it's called the Portobello saddlebag. This particular one did come from France and was pre-loved. I got a really good deal for it. And Vestiaire does have pretty good prices, but you have to watch out for tax, duties, and shipping. They do charge $10 to authenticate for certain items, like they did in this case. And then I think I paid just under $20 for shipping, and forget what the sales tax was, but it added an extra $30 to the price. I did have a coupon code, and if you are a first-time order, Welcome 25 usually works to save you $25 off your first purchase. But because of the time of year that it is, I didn't mind paying extra for the shipping, just because it does come DHL and they are excellent compared to what we have here in the US. It's pretty slow. For example, it shipped out, I think it's only taken 3 or 4 days to get here, which is crazy. I've had packages such as my testing bag that in the previous video have been stuck, or it took almost a week and a half to get here from within the US. So without further ado, let's take a look at the bag. This is a lilac Aspinal of London saddlebag. The top is croc embossed. This is known as the postman's lock. It does slip up, and as you can see, contains gold hardware. On the inside, there's a few scratches, but that doesn't bother me. You can also see here, there's a few scratches. Again, it doesn't bother me. The side of the bag is structured. The bottom contains 4 feet. Another look at the other side. The back of the bag contains the Aspinal of London and has a pocket. There's another scratch. This was pre-loved. Stitching looks very good repair. Looking at the handle, the glazing is very good. There is some wear. This is nice and soft. In case you're wondering, this is what the hardware looks like. It usually says Aspinal of London on it. I believe because it's an older model, that's why it doesn't, but you can see it's a lobster style clasp right here. And again, very, very well made. No issues at all with the stitching. Over time, this kind of leather like this does soften. I believe a leather conditioner will be able to restore and keep this from cracking. But leather bags with wear are well worth it and more durable than other bags. Looking inside the bag, this flap is just connected. There's no pocket. There is a zip here, however, the Aspinal of London logo and a fabric lined interior. Here is a look inside the pocket. There are no card slots. This is the smooth leather and it appears pretty durable. Despite the marks, it's definitely had wear, but it's, I think for what I paid, is a really nice bag. I really like this lilac color. It is a great neutral. It measures 10 inches across. The height is about 6.5 inches. The width is 2.5 inches at its widest point. And the handle drop is about 2 inches. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next go round. Bye guys.